The University of Sheffield's Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre has achieved extraordinary things over the last 20 years. It has transformed a site that was once a scar of industrial decline into an exemplar of 21st century manufacturing strength, with bold and ambitious plans for the future. The AMRC has shown how industry, academia and the government can work together to help businesses innovate. We transform industrial and economic performance by improving productivity and increasing competitiveness. We have been levelling up with impact long before the term was fashionable. The AMRC has attracted inward investment to the South Yorkshire region, has supported countless regional SMEs, and provided incredible opportunities for young people through the AMRC Training Centre. Our model for innovation brings together people and organisations and provide a platform so we can deliver more than any party could on its own. This collaborative approach, supported by the research strengths of the university, will be critical as the country responds to the most pressing challenges facing society today: net zero, regional economic development, and equipping future generations with the skills for a successful future.